How to uninstall apps permanently on MacBook. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Launchpad on your MacBook from your dock, and you can also try to press F4 in order to open Launchpad. Now, hold on any app that you want to delete and the apps will start to jiggle. Simply tap on the cross icon on the app that you want to delete. Make sure that this only works for apps installed from the App Store. You can also delete applications from the folder, so go ahead and open Finder and then tap on the Applications option. Now, drag the app that you want to delete into the trash and then right-click on the trash and then select the Empty Trash option, and with this the app will be deleted. And you can also remove the leftover files from the command. So in Finder again, press Command plus Shift plus G, and in the pop-up that appears, type in Library. Now check folders like Application Support, Cache, Preferences, or you can also search for the app name and delete anything related to it. And the next step is optional. You can try to download App Cleaner apps such as App Cleaner in order to save the time. Just drag the app into it and it will find all the hidden files automatically for you. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix uninstall apps permanently on MacBook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.